viewers, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're happy and well. So in today's video, I will share some careful and easy Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. That you can make at home. Simple things perfect for your dining table, living room, or any festive decoration for your home. Viewers, so let's start today's video. Ornaments bowl centerpiece. Take a glass bar or vase and fill it with colorful Christmas ornaments, bells, and fairy lights. It's quick, bright, and give an instant festive vibe. Place it at the center of your table and it will shine beautiful at night. Viewers, denim tree ornaments. Friends, take small piece of denim and cut them into star hearts or tree shapes. And glitter glue beads or fabric paste to decorate. Watch a small hole on top and tie a red ribbon to hang them on your Christmas tree. These blue ornaments look stylish and friendly. Friends, and denim candle holder. Viewers, wrap all the denim strip around glass jar or candles and tie them with red or white ribbon. You can even glue small stoppers, buttons, or mini bells on them for extra charm when you light the candles. The denim texture gives a beautiful warm and glow. Weavers and denim gift swap. Weavers. Instead of paper, use denim fabric to wrap Christmas gifts. Cut out square piece of denim, wrap your gifts and tie them with the red or golden ribbons. You can also add small pink leaves and dry out for a festive touch. It's look creative and friendly. It's safe paper. Weavers.